49, sun-covered wagons went roaming across the sea of prairie grass like sailboats rolling. There wasn't any rail and there weren't any roads at all. Still they had to contend with the red man's hand wherever they would go. Below the 49th parallel you still can follow on number 2, or on number 1 up above. Well, it's really up to you, but there are many places you can go back and forth across. But the motels on the state side, they are cheaper there, of course. Flying Eagle Reality, number 49. Sitting Bull and Crazy Horse, they came across to us to get away from the American cavalry sent with lack of love, and many an outlaw passing 49th would ride till the heat was off way up north in the safety to abide. With Flying Eagle Reality 49. Draft dodgers came here for the exact same reason, and to escape into God's peace it is no treason. From fantasy to reality to go. Hey, defenselessness is peace, they'd learn to know. Yes, they would. A place where you can throw away your guns, where strength is not in numbers, but in the one who said that from our mountains peace would come, embracing every stranger on the run, where fairness and fair play are understood, and get to rule the day as though they really could. With Flying Eagle Reality, number 49.